Hi, my name is Pele. Many people are curious about how to compare and how to bring together the system of the tree of life from Kabbalah and the system of the seven chakras is coming from the East. Indeed, these are two different systems, and whenever we want to compare maps, we need to be cautious about it. Nevertheless, because both of them are talking about the human body as an energetic structure, so there is a way to compare. Again, many people think because the tree of life is the 10 Sephirot, and the 10 are divided usually to 3 and 7, so many people try to connect the 7 Sephirot to the 7 chakras, and that's not the right way. So in this short video I just want to basically offer a way to relate to how to put them together. And it goes like this. Keter is the first Sphira, crown, and this is simple because also the highest chakra is crown. So it's here, it's above the head, and it's easy. The second Sphira is Chokhmah. Not so great translation is wisdom. Chokhmah. I prefer always to call it in the traditional Hebraic word, Kabbalistic word. So Chokhmah is related to vision in Kabbalah. They are Chokhmah and Binah. They are connected to vision, the ability to see everything at once. And hey, third eye chakra, including the two eyes of right and left, the ways that we envision and we have vision. The third Sphira is Binah. Again, not the best translation to English would be understanding, but it's also how we build. To understand something, you need to build it brick by brick. This is how you understand. And in Kabbalah, it's connected to the way we listen. Another way to relate to Binah is deep listening. When you actually understand something is when you deeply listen. And of course, it has to do with the ears, but not only the ears, but actually this system of ear, nose, throat, and the throat chakra. And they're all connected behind, in the body, inside. The next Sphirot are Chesed and Gvura, usually related to the two hands, right and left. Or in the Zohar, it relates, I really love it, to the two wings. They're called two wings that allow you to fly. And they are Chesed and Gvura, love and awe. Love and awe are the two, it's expansion and contraction. And this is how the heart is beating. By expansion, contraction, expansion, contraction. And here's the heart chakra. Then comes Tiferet, which is the center of the body and the torso. And it's the solar plexus. Then comes the sexual chakra. And it's connected to what in Kabbalah we call Netzach Hod Yesod. There are actually 3 Sphirot that are usually related to right, left, and middle, while the middle is the genitals. So the right and the left can be the right and left ovaries, the right and left testicles, the right and left kidneys, the right and left legs. There are many ways to look at it. Also, not only right and left, but actually the more powerful going forward and the more gentle going inward. It's like the extrovert and the introvert in the way that we walk in the world. It's kind of the strong part of the leg and the way that the leg can also bend and kneel down. And it all comes to the Yesod, which is the sexual organs, which brings everything together. It's the second chakra. And then there is the last Sphira in the Tree of Life, which is Malchut, which is connected many times to the mouth, but not only to this mouth, but also to the other side of the same pipe that goes in the body and goes all the way down to the anus, which is the other side of the mouth, basically, and is the base chakra. And it's how we are connected to earth. We forget that. It's not only that we sit on our base chakra, also what we, as animals, what we take out of our base chakra from our anus is going to earth. It's good for the land, for the soil. This is our giving back. We take in from this mouth, we eat, our body takes what it needs and gives back to earth through our base chakra. So this is a short way to bring together the two maps, the Eastern map of the 7 chakras and the Tree of Life. One more thing, there is another secretive sphera, which is Da'at, usually translated as knowledge, but it's a bad translation unless you understand knowledge in the way of and the way Adam knew Eve, knowing in the biblical way, which is intimately connecting with something. And that is the integration of the whole Tree of Life. It goes in the middle and in the spine. It's the spinal cord. It's the way that everything is connected together, the brain, the crown, all the way to Yesod, to our sexuality, and to the base chakra. And this is that, and it's hidden. And there's a lot to say about it and to learn about it, because in some ways the whole secret of the Tree of Life has to do with Da'at, with actually being able to be intimate with life, with myself, with another, with the divine. More about it in my courses about Kabbalah, the Kabbalah of love, and this is just a short gift from me.